I remember the first time I saw a calculator as a kid. Everyone freaked out. Now we'll never need to do math again. Fast forward. Computers arrived and the panic hit again. That's it. Machines will do everything for us. But here's the truth. Every time technology changed, new doors opened. If you learned how to use it. And now with AI, the fear's back. But this time, I'm excited. Here's why. Let's get real. 80% of jobs will radically change in the next few years. AI is speeding up innovation like nothing we've seen before. But here's the kicker. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify us. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your competitor. If you're a designer, AI can help you brainstorm, but your creative vision, still irreplaceable. If you're a founder, AI can automate busy work, but you set the strategy. If you're a freelancer, AI can scale your output, but your client relationships are still built on trust and empathy. The new basics, AI plus human skills. Reid Hoffman said it best. AI plus human editing is better than AI alone. By 2025, every engineer and honestly, every knowledge worker will use at least one co-pilot tool. What matters now? Soft skills, communication, empathy, leadership, these are your secret weapons. Creativity, AI can generate, but only you can create meaning. Strategic thinking, AI can suggest, but you decide what matters. Here's what I'm doing, and what you can do today. 1. Adopt early, play often. Don't wait. The earlier you get hands-on with AI tools, the bigger your edge. When YouTube and the internet exploded, the early adopters won big. Same with AI. 2. Build your minimum viable AI toolkit. You don't need every shiny new tool. Pick a few that make your workflow smoother. For me, it's Perplexity for fast research, Notion AI for content and presentations. 3. Automate your prompts. Stop wasting time rewriting prompts. Save your best ones in a database. Use tools like Alfred or Raycast to insert them instantly. 4. Master the human touch. AI can write, but you need to edit, package, and tell the story. Storytelling, summarizing, and tailoring content to your audience, that's your edge. 5. Stay ahead of trends. Trends move at lightning speed. Use Google Trends, forums, and industry reports to spot what's next, especially if you're a founder or marketer. 6. Position yourself. Keep learning, build your personal brand, and make your value visible. The more you show your expertise, the more opportunities come your way. If you want to stay ahead, start experimenting with AI today. Drop a comment. What's your biggest fear or hope about AI? Like, subscribe, and join the UXverse for more actionable insights. Let's shape the future together.